Greetings to all viewers joining us today. In this educational tutorial, we will delve into the realm of utilizing HTTP custom premium UDP files alongside the HTTP custom application. Our aim is to guide you through the process of downloading and implementing these premium UDP files responsibly and securely, enhancing your online experiences within the bounds of ethical conduct and community guidelines. Let's embark on step 1 by initiating Chrome and conducting a search on Google for UDP custom sites. This foundational step is essential in understanding how these files can optimize specific aspects of your online interactions. Transitioning to step 2, navigate to the designated website and carefully access the menu button to explore additional features and functionalities, ensuring an enriching and secure online experience. Advancing to step 3, you will encounter a list of options where choosing the premium UDP files will enable specific enhancements to your online activities. Understanding the functionality of these files is crucial for optimizing your online experiences effectively. As we progress to step 4, a submenu will reveal further selections, guiding you to choose the premium UDP custom files tailored to specific digital needs while upholding ethical online conduct and community standards. Step 5 empowers you to interact with a UDP custom file of your choosing, facilitating a secure download process aimed at enhancing specific elements of your online experience. In step 6, we transition to integrating these files into the HTTP custom app. By installing the app from the reputable Google Play Store and launching it, you embark on a journey to enhance your online security and privacy within the guidelines of responsible online conduct. Step 7 encourages a meticulous approach to importing the files into the app, respecting privacy measures and enhancing online functionality within established standards. In step 8, the initiation of the connection marks a crucial step towards a secure and optimized online engagement that aligns with ethical standards and regulatory guidelines. As you navigate through this tutorial, understanding the specific functions and benefits of the UDP custom files within the HTTP custom app is essential for maximizing your online experience. Exploring these tools responsibly and with an understanding of their functionalities will contribute to an enriched and secure digital journey in adherence to ethical and community standards. Thank you for your active participation in this educational endeavor. Let's continue to navigate the digital realm with knowledge, responsibility, and respect for online guidelines and best practices.